Look down at your phone right now. See that? That soft fold under your chin? That heaviness around your jaw? That's what everyone else sees when they look at you from the side. In photos, in video calls, in real life. And here's what makes it so frustrating. You're not even overweight. Your body looks fine. But your face tells a completely different story. Soft chin, no definition, no jawline. Just this round, undefined lower face that makes you look heavier and older than you actually are. You've probably Googled how to get rid of double chin 100 times. You've seen the same useless advice: chew gum, do neck exercises, try face yoga, and nothing changed, because none of that addresses what's actually causing it. Here's the truth most people miss. A double chin is almost never just one problem. It's usually 4 or 5 things stacking on top of each other: body fat, posture, water retention, weak muscles, and daily habits, all combining to hide the jawline that's already underneath. Fix them individually, and you'll see small changes. Fix them all together, and your face will genuinely look like a different person in 30 to 60 days. I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, everything that actually works, nothing that doesn't. 1. Your body fat is the first thing to fix. Nobody wants to hear this, but it's the most important point. Your face is one of the first places your body stores fat, and one of the last places it loses it. Even a small amount of excess body fat shows up under your chin and along your jawline before it shows up anywhere else. Most guys dramatically underestimate their body fat percentage. You might think you're at 15%. You're probably closer to 20 or 22. And at that level, your face holds enough fat to completely erase your jawline. Here's the thing. You cannot spot reduce fat from your face. No exercise, no tool, no cream. Nothing targets face fat specifically. The only way to lose it is to lower your overall body fat percentage. The fix? Get into a slight caloric deficit. Not extreme, not starving yourself, just eating slightly less than you burn. Focus on protein-heavy meals to preserve muscle while you lose fat. When you drop from 20% body fat to around 15%, your face changes dramatically. Jawline appears, chin tightens, cheekbones surface. It's the single most impactful thing you can do. 2. Your posture is creating a fake double chin. Do this right now. Push your head forward. Let your chin drop toward your chest slightly. Look what happens. Instant double chin. Even if you don't have one bad posture, creates one out of thin air. Now pull your head back. Stack your ears directly over your shoulders. Lift your chin slightly. Lengthen your neck. Gone. Same face. Completely different result. Forward head posture, which most guys have from years of looking at phones and sitting at desks, pushes the skin and tissue under your chin forward and downward. It compresses your neck. It hides your jawline. It makes your entire lower face look soft and undefined. The fix: chin tucks. Stand against a wall and pull your chin straight back like you're making a double chin on purpose. Hold for 5 seconds. Do 20 reps 3 times a day. Dead hangs, wall angels, and keeping your phone at eye level instead of looking down all help. Fix your posture and your double chin can reduce visibly within the first week without losing a single pound of fat. 3. You're holding water in your face. This one explains why your double chin looks worse some days than others. Water retention is one of the most overlooked causes of a puffy, undefined lower face, and most guys have no idea what's causing it. The biggest culprit: sodium. When you eat processed food, salty snacks, takeout, or heavy sauces, your sodium levels spike. Your body holds onto water to balance it out. That water collects in your face, under your chin, along your jawline, in your cheeks. The result is a visibly softer, rounder, puffier face, even when your actual fat levels haven't changed at all. The fix: cut processed food for 48 hours and watch what happens to your face. Drink more water, not less, because proper hydration actually flushes out excess sodium. Add potassium-rich foods like bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes. One clean day can make your chin and jawline look noticeably sharper by morning. 4. Your neck and jaw muscles are underdeveloped. Here's the one nobody talks about. A sharp jawline isn't just about losing fat. It's about building the muscles that frame your jaw and neck. Most guys have completely underdeveloped neck muscles. When the neck is thin and weak, your chin has no structural support underneath. Everything sags. Everything looks soft. Your jawline disappears into your neck. The fix: train your neck. Neck curls lie face up on a bench with your head hanging off the edge. Place a light weight on your forehead and curl your chin toward your chest. 3 sets of 15. Neck extensions: same position but face down. Extend your head upward against resistance. 3 sets of 15. Even 2 sessions a week creates visible changes within 4 to 6 weeks. Your neck thickens. The muscle underneath your jaw tightens. Your jawline suddenly has definition and structure it never had before. This is genuinely the most underrated face improvement exercise that exists. Almost nobody does it, and everyone who starts wishes they started sooner. 5. How you chew is affecting your face shape. This sounds weird, but it's very real. Most guys chew their food quickly and lazily, using their cheeks more than their jaw muscles. Over years, this weakens the master muscles, the muscles on the sides of your jaw that create that wide, defined jaw look. The fix: chew your food slowly and deliberately. 20 to 25 chews per bite. Use your back teeth. Focus on actually engaging your jaw muscles when you eat. Some guys use mastic gum, which is a harder natural gum gum that forces your jaw muscles to work harder than regular chewing gum. 15 to 20 minutes of mastic gum a few times per week can build visible masseter size over time. Don't overdo it. Too much jaw training can cause TMJ issues. Start slow. 3 to 4 sessions a week is enough. 6. Your sleep position is making it worse. When you sleep on your stomach or side, your face gets compressed against the pillow for 8 hours. Fluid pools. Lymph drainage slows down. You wake up looking puffier and softer than when you went to bed. And if you sleep with your head flat, gravity pulls fluid downward into your face and under your chin all night. The fix. Sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated. Even a 15-degree incline makes a difference. Fluid drains away from your face naturally while you sleep instead of pooling in it. Add 30 seconds of lymph drainage in the morning. Gentle strokes from the center of your chin outward toward your ears, then down the sides of your neck, and the puffiness reduces noticeably before you leave the house. 7. Tongue posture. The free jawline hack. This is where mewing comes in. And whether you believe in the full mewing theory or not, proper tongue posture does one thing that's undeniable. When your tongue rests on the roof of your mouth instead of the floor, it pushes your jaw slightly forward and upward. This creates better chin definition and reduces the appearance of a double chin immediately. Try it right now. Close your mouth. Press your entire tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. Notice how your chin naturally tightens and lifts. That's not restructuring your bones. That's just better posture for your tongue and jaw. And when you do it consistently, it becomes your natural resting position. The fix. Make it a habit. Every time you catch yourself with your tongue resting at the bottom of your mouth, move it to the roof. Over time, it becomes automatic. Free. Takes zero time. Visible difference. Reality check. No jaw exercise is going to fix a double chin if your body fat is too high. No amount of mewing is going to give you a jawline if your posture is pushing your chin forward. No diet trick is going to help if you're sleeping face down in a pillow every night. It's not one thing. It's all of them working together. The guys with sharp jawlines aren't doing one magic exercise. They're lean. Their posture is solid. Their neck is trained. Their habits support their face, not fight against it. The game plans start this week. Get into a slight caloric deficit. Protein with every meal. Drop your body fat toward 15%. Fix your posture today. Chin tucks, 20 reps, 3 times a day. Cut processed food and excess sodium. Drink more water. Watch your face change within days. Start training your neck. 2 sessions a week. Neck curls and extensions, lightweight, high reps. Sleep on your back with slight elevation. Lymph drainage every morning. 30 seconds. Keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth all day, every day. The bottom line. Your jawline is already there. It's not missing. It's not weak. It's not bad genetics. It's buried under body fat, under water retention, under bad posture, under years of habits that have been working against your face without you knowing. Fix those habits consistently, not perfectly, and the jawline underneath starts showing up week by week, little by little, until one day you look in the mirror and the double chin is gone and the face staring back at you looks sharper than it ever has. That face was always there. You just had to stop hiding it. Start today.